I'll demonstrate how to make a cushion with any pattern. First of all, cut the excess of the pattern while leaving an inch as a seam line, using the same dimensions as the back of the cushion. Make sure that the back of the cushion is stitched on the up-lock machine from all sides before going to the next step. Stitch the pattern to the back of the cushion and then place the zipper. We will use an invisible zipper for better results. Then connect the rest of the sides to seal the cushion, and when done, turn the cushion to the right way. To add more style to your cushion, you can add an additional decoration like a ribbon as shown in this example. Using pins to keep the ribbon in place, you can carefully stitch it onto the cushion by hand. This is what the finished product should look like. You can use this cushion to decorate your personal space. If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.